This is the tag, normal tag, which is useful for the flasks. So this is the extra piece which I am having. So what I am doing, cut up to here. Now this piece is separated. When you open this, this piece also will fall down and it will look like this. Now make a hole here. You have to make the hole here. Then what you have to do, take this and make a hole here. The hole is made. So you don't need any drilling machine. One job is over. Once this heated up, take the cover and on the cover make a hole here, small hole, that's all. That hole is enough. At the center. Here also hole is made at the center. Now half of your job is done. You already made a hole here, so this is the cover. The cover is also very strong. The cover is of military standard, very strong cover. So making a hole in this is not a big issue. It can withhold. So once you made this, place in this. Yes. Yes, you place. Once you place it and place in this. Yes. Now the cover is ready. Now place your cell phone in this, like this. See here. See, this is the point we have. It is having like this. So this is the point. Just, yes, it is ready. Like this, you can use your mobile phone. If you want to adjust the lanyard, you can cut the lanyard also. You can cut the lanyard according to your size and you can use it. So it is very simple. If you don't want to hang up in your neck, just remove it. Clip it. Very simple. Plug and play type. If you want to remove it from your neck and just unclip it, and it is very simple. This holds here, so I removed this from here and I started using in the mobile. I hope this video is useful and informative. Let us meet again.